You searched how to buy shares of Grail Inc., a biotechnology company focused on early cancer detection listed on NASDAQ under the ticker GRAL. This short tutorial is educational only and not financial advice. To buy GRAL, you will need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify the account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. On the platform, use the search bar and type the ticker GRAL to find Grail Inc. in the results. Make sure you select the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart for GRAL. Confirm the company description and exchange to ensure this is the correct Grail Inc. stock. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, carefully review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or filled at the next session. If you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase can complete. After confirmation, your Grail Inc. position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the video description if you want to open an account.